right, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, happy Wednesday, and thankfully it was. Now, we talked about this yesterday, about how today was likely to be the day things got going again, and it was. And I've got a single trade today. I just have one trade. That's it. A single trade. But it was one of those days where it's all you needed. This is all we needed. The past few days, we've had multiple stocks squeezing up big. Yesterday, we had VIVK, we had CPHI. The day before, we had ZYBT, and now today was ZCMD. And thankfully, I caught it. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you find the right stock to trade. How did I know this was the right one for open today? Well, for starters, it was over on our pre-market watch list. If you were in the stream this morning, then you know. Pre-market watch list, we had 4 stocks to watch, and ZCMD thankfully met criteria right out of the bell and smashed through targets. And I mean smashed through targets. And so going into open, one of the big things we have to consider is I want you to look at this setup here, and it was absolutely fantastic. Now, I was watching it off pullbacks underneath 220 under VWAP too, because it was sort of stuck in this range all morning. Though I wanted to watch it off of VWAP, like I said, on the pre-market watch list, just to make sure trend was intact. Now, as we start to curl back over VWAP, right, going into market open, we have this big move where volume starts to step in going into market open. I'm like, okay, well, as we start to get going over VWAP, then it knifes off the high. And so we've knifed. Every time this has tried to make a move, it just keeps on knifing. But I also know that the Chinese theme is hot right now because the last 2 days we had the big Chinese movers, and this was what it looked like to be next. And of course, this was Chinese too, as Chinese as it gets. Zhongchao Incorporated. It doesn't get much more Chinese. That had a 1.16 million share float. Of course, the stocks that we trade and the stocks that we've seen the last few days, I'll even show you. We look over at, for example, VIVK from yesterday morning that ran 500%, 590,000 share float. We go look at the other one from yesterday on CPHI. What do you have here? 5 million share float. You look over at the one from 2 days back. What was it on? ZYBT. You have a 5 million share float. So this one had what it needed to get going. Again, you had a 1.1 million share float. Now, there's 5 things that we need to have happen when we're looking for the best stock to trade at market open. And so it has to check off all those boxes. And in this case, it did. Number 1 is price above VWAP. And again, VWAP is a way for us to gauge. Let's write this here. Must be above VWAP. When price is above VWAP, we can assume that sentiment is on the buy side, right? And so we have what we call a bullish sentiment, where it's more likely price is going to continue to the upside, right? Because we're trading with the trend. So in this case, we can see we were tied above VWAP, and look at this. We're tied above VWAP, which limits our downside risk. And the other thing too, which is so important here, I want you to take note of going into market open, is what happens right here. Now, and this is why I took the trade really. And so it flushes out of the open, right? Look at this. It flushes out of the open all the way down to the break of trend off 50 EMA over 210. It instantly gets bought back up and reverses back over the 9 and 20 EMAs. Look at this bottoming wick, and it instantly gets bought back up, and that tells me that it tried to break down and instantly got bought back up. For that, that's a perfect entry risking off of VWAP for that next leg higher, and that's exactly what we got. And I got this from $2.40 up into the halt. That was awesome. So we have the low float, we have VWAP tight beneath price, and you can also see we have these stacked EMAs. And so we have this area of consolidation where the EMAs really get tightening up. From there, I need to see direction. And I think a lot of people get chopped around trying to trade stocks when they're sort of stuck in a range like this, where they're sideways with no clear direction. I first have to see direction first, right, before I can play it. And so again, waiting for that direction. And then, of course, from there, your EMAs get all fanned out because this thing has a ton of momentum behind it. Then the last piece of the puzzle is, do we have range to the upside, which we'll sort of see a little bit easier here. If we pull up the daily chart, you'll get a good idea of where we had range to, and this really had nothing stopping it. Now, of course, it's crazy beat down. It is or at least it was it still is, I suppose, a turd China. Just happened to have its little spotlight day today. And you look at the daily chart, and as you got over these past daily highs, which you'll see right here, this past daily high, there's really nothing stopping it from making the move to 10, right? There's really nothing stopping it. And so we literally had this past high sitting at 3, and over that, it was clear skies. Look at this. Over 3, it's clear skies. There's no other significant level to look back at in terms of price action that would indicate a level of resistance. And so that was that. And yeah, we had a ton of room. We just knew we had a ton of range. And for that, buyers had a reason to be buying at higher prices, what we call incentive. So this thing just checked off every box we had. Again, tied over VWAP, low float, a lot of range. And again, this grab of liquidity, right? This is our confirmation at the open that caused me to take this trade. Now, of course, entry was right here, 240, risking, again, which risk is the level that has to hold for it to still be a valid setup. And of course, for me, that's right here around 228, right here off of VWAP. So I'm going to take it with about 10 cents a share of risk for the next leg higher. As we get up about 10 cents, you can see as we get up to 250, I've got a quarter sold up into the previous highs. Sadly, I had a half left at 260. I didn't know how much I could trust this. And then I just rode the rest up into the halts when I had a quarter left. Mind you, I wish I had more size, but it is also a Chinese halter, so it's hindsight 2020. Anyways, had a quarter up into the halt. Then, of course, had runners left up here in the sixes, where I then took a full exit on the weak resumption. But I'll show you here too. It's one of those things where we also know we had this previous area of supply from pre-market. And so I was watching for a possible dip out of this next halt, and sadly, there was no chance for it. It resumed and instantly gapped straight up into the next halt. So I didn't add anything. Of course, it resumes higher. This halt, though, it was initially trying to resume at 760, and then, of course, the resumption price had dropped into the fives, and I said, well, it looks like momentum is drying up, so I suppose I'll just go ahead and take my exit. And so as it pops back up, I just say, you know what? And this thing was halting for 30 minutes at a time. I wasn't really interested in sitting here for another hour, hour and a half, trying to sit here and just ride a bajillion halts. And then the risk, too, is you get an INHD moment where you get stuck in a T12 halt, then you're really having a bad day. And I just really didn't want that to happen. So I was happy with it. Again, I took my full exit here on the weak resumption. This one was obviously straight gap up as we gapped down out of the next one. I just went ahead and took my profit and walked away. So it was 240 to 580 was my very last fill. My top fill was 660. But yeah, that's all there is to it. And that was literally all I traded today. It had every single box checked off: trend, range, volume, tied over VWAP, confirmation out of the open on the grab of liquidity, and it just looks so good. So the market's heating up. The market's high. You can see here today. Even LABT had a big day today. Of course, it didn't hold up too well out of open, but still right now, 450% on ZCMD. And it feels like, again, we're getting back into that June price action. So it's exciting stuff. Of course, as always, we'll be back here tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to trade the open in the stream. So make sure to grab your 7-day free trial to be there for it and trade with me in real time every single morning. And comment down below, too, how you did today. Hopefully, you caught a piece of this move. This is all I traded today. Literally all I traded. So I'm curious to see what else we can catch going into the rest of the week. Should be fun. Make sure to subscribe, too, for daily content just like this. And I will see you guys in the morning in the stream or back here tomorrow afternoon for the daily recap.